Alright guys, in this quick video, I will show you how to find your BNB wallet address on Bybit so you can deposit BNB from exchanges like Binance or from your wallet apps. Before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Bybit application. After logging in, click on the Assets tab at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the Deposit button. Now click on the Deposit Crypto button. Now from the list of coins, search for BNB and select it. Bybit will ask you to choose a network if you are sending BNB from Binance or Trust Wallet. Choose BEP20. Make sure the network you choose matches the network you are sending from or your fund could get lost. Now you will see your BNB deposit address and a QR code. Just copy the address or scan the QR code if you are using a mobile wallet to send BNB. And that's it. Now you know how to find your BNB wallet address on Bybit and it is ready for deposit. If this video found you helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more crypto related videos.